Hey gang, I want to give you a review today of the laundry backpack by Azhido. Now let me tell you why we got this specific laundry bag. We actually have a daughter heading to college. We're packing up her dorm room right now as we speak. And when we saw this, we knew this was the way to go. It's a large laundry bag that has a backpack setup so you can quickly and easily throw your laundry on your back as you're walking to the laundromat because it's not inside of your dorm room actually. It's got a big pocket on the front where you can store all of your laundry items that you might need. Not an issue there at all. Love this. It's expandable, so even though it looks a little bit smaller, you can fit so much in here. And in fact, let me show you what makes this laundry bag special. 2 full baskets of laundry here. Two full baskets of laundry with room to spare. We could have put more laundry in this if we wanted. Overall, we absolutely love this laundry bag backpack. Give it a 5 out of 5 stars.